Welcome to our guide on effective instructional strategies and tools for custom e-learning development. In today's learning environment, effective e-learning is more important than ever. Let's dive into some of the best strategies and tools to make your e-learning courses engaging and impactful. First, let's talk about learner-centered design. Tailoring your content to meet the specific needs and preferences of your learners is crucial. This means understanding their background, learning styles, and goals. By putting the learner at the center, you create a more relevant and personalized experience. Next, incorporate interactive elements. Interactive content like quizzes, simulations, and branching scenarios not only engage learners but also reinforce learning. They transform passive consumption into active participation, which boosts retention and understanding. Collaboration is key. Agile development involves iterative design and feedback loops, allowing for continuous improvement. Working closely with subject matter experts and learners ensures the content is accurate and resonates well with your audience. Don't forget about mobile learning. With more learners accessing content on their mobile devices, ensuring your e-learning is mobile-friendly is essential. Tools like responsive design frameworks help your courses look great on any device. Finally, incorporate continuous feedback and assessment. Tools like online surveys, quizzes, and peer reviews provide valuable insights into learner progress and areas for improvement. This helps in refining the course content and enhancing the learning experience. When it comes to tools, there are plenty of options. Authoring tools like Articulate Storyline, Articulate Rise, Domino, Elucidat, iSpring, Lectora, and Adobe Captivate make it easy to create engaging, multimedia-rich courses. Learning management systems or LMS platforms like Effectus LMS, Moodle, and Blackboard help in distributing and managing your content efficiently. By combining these instructional strategies and tools, you can create custom e-learning experiences that are not only effective but also engaging and enjoyable for your learners. If you are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe icon right now so you don't miss anything in the future. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with another insightful video.